Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export PowerPoint presentation to Microsoft Word. So here I've already opened the PPT file, and what you need to do is just go to File and then find Export, click on that, and then here click on Create Handout, and then click on Create Handouts again, and then choose the outline only options, and then after that click on OK, and then you just need to wait for the file to open in Word. Okay, so here the file has been created, and this is the file. As you can see, this is the file that has been exported from the PowerPoint presentations. And now you can just tidy up the documents in the Word. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below, and don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Thank you.